I came today because I was looking for a miracle, and I knew that Liana had what it takes to give me my miracle.
But this is a really good part, because sometimes the next step isn't revealed until you do the first step.
Because she's been there. Like, she feels you, she is you. It's one thing to hire somebody because they say that they know how to do it. It's another to hire somebody because they're invested in your success as if it's their own. And with her, you believe everything that she says because that is who she is.
That's what keeps us back, right? If you're trying to create a financial goal, maybe your first step is meet with a financial planner, right? So like, you're thinking you gotta know how to set up your whole retirement, which is sometimes what paralyzes us, is the feeling of, I don't know what to do.
I knew that she was going to be that spark to tell me something, show me something, be surrounded by people that was going to help push me.
I think they should hire Liana as a coach because there's only so much you can do by yourself. And I think one of the main things she talked about today was community and having those people around you who can help you see the things that you don't see. Liana is that person who will help you step by step to get your actions out of your brain onto paper so that you can walk it out in real time.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Irrespective of your personal expertise within your domain, there are individuals with unique gifts and talents capable of enhancing your journey and elevating your results, and vice versa, creating a mutual exchange of enrichment. Some of these goals you may have, you need somebody else's mindset, the way they think, they may add value to what you want to do. This moment right here was a manifestation of multiple people being able to help enhance the vision that I had, right? Things I would have never thought of.
I think people should hire her as a coach because she's meeting us where we're at. I think a lot of people are looking to sell you something, looking to sound cool, but it's the intentionality, it's the coming together, it's the personal connection that really drew me to this space. And yes, that's why people should work with her.
And part of the reason I believe, I know I'm gonna speak for myself, a lot of people, there's a lot of shame. Yeah. That's why people don't get help. Yeah. That's why you stay stuck and stagnant. But something about you that you've been gifted with, you make people feel very comfortable. Yeah. I'm umpteen thousand years older than you and feel very comfortable talking to you about my SHIT. You know what I'm saying? Just keeping it above. So thank you so much. This was fantastic.
It's an honor.
Yeah.
At this place in my journey, where I'm physically not where I want to be, it is very difficult to get up in a room and talk to people about overcoming and going after your stuff and saying, I'm gonna help you do it, but I know that I got what it takes. You know, applying it to me and helping other people simultaneously. And I think the idea of helping somebody while you're on your journey is not really shared, it's not really talked about. And so it's a privilege, it's an honor, and thank you for saying those things, because sometimes I feel like an alien, but I'm okay with being an alien now because that's what makes me special.
Don't stop being who you are, because who you are, your success, we see it and we look for it to help us along to know that it's gonna work for us too. Goals, it don't matter what it is, career, relationship, health, all of those things that you are, we are too. Your goals to lose a certain amount of weight, we got those same goals. We have those same goals, and watching you and knowing that, you know what, you might fall, but you're gonna get back up and keep going. We need you. I think LA needs you. I think California needs you. I think all of the 50 states need you. We need you. And I thank you for allowing me to be here today for Beyond the Vision.